Hello friends, here we are with another video. Dr. Radionics checking in. On this occasion, we are going to talk about the Homeopathic Remedies section within the mantra system. And what I'm interested in showing you right now is how simple it is to create a complex remedy using multiple homeopathic remedies within the software. So we're going to do it step by step so you can see that it's actually quite easy to work with the system. We simply go to the New section to create a new remedy. You have probably already seen this in some of the educational videos we have on YouTube, but it's always important to review it again to better understand how the entire system works. So the good thing here is that you just click New and start creating your remedy. In this case, we are going to make a simple example, a general remedy. We can also catalog it with a number to identify it more easily within the database. So we are going to call this one General Remedy 01. Now what interests me is adding some homeopathic remedies and potentiating them within the same complex remedy. So let's begin by searching for one of the most famous remedies in homeopathy, Arnica. We go to the code control section and here we simply type Arnica. We click search and immediately the available options within the database appear. Here we have Arnica Montana, which is probably one of the best known and most commonly used. So we select Arnica Montana, and that's it. As you can see, it automatically appears added in the remedy section. Now, something important I want to mention is this. When you see many repeated results within the system, it does not mean they are different rates. They are simply organized into different categories within the database. In other words, it is really the same remedy, the same rate, but classified in different sections of the system. So normally, it is enough to select just one. Perfect. We already have the first one. Now we are going to add another very famous homeopathic remedy, Belladonna. We simply type Belladonna, search, and here it appears immediately. We select Belladonna, and that's it. Now we have two remedies added within the formula. See how easy it is to work inside the system? Now we are going to add a third one to create a complex remedy with 3 homeopathic remedies. And we are going to use another very famous one, Chamomilla. We type Chamomilla, search, and here we have it. Chamomilla is also one of the most widely used homeopathic remedies worldwide. We select Chamomilla, and that's it. And as you can see here on the screen, we already have the 3 remedies added within the same formula. That's how simple it is to create a complex remedy within the mantra system. Now what we want to do is potentize the remedies. So we select the remedy we want to potentize, and we are going to add the 30C potency, which is one of the most commonly used in homeopathy. We simply select the potency, enter 30, and apply it. And that's it. Now we have Arnica Montana in 30C. Now we do exactly the same thing with Chamomilla. We select the potency, apply 30C, and done. Then we do the same thing with Belladonna. We also add the 30C potency. Of course, this is only an example. It does not necessarily have to be 30C. You can select whatever potency you want depending on the formula or the work you are carrying out. Later on, we are going to look at real examples of more advanced formulas so you can better understand how the system works in more complete applications. But for now, here you can already see that we have easily created a completely functional complex remedy. And something very practical is that the system saves it automatically. As soon as you create the remedy, it is stored within the software without the need to manually press save. Now let's say we want to transfer this remedy into a bottle or a medicine. This is very simple. We simply take our bottle, place it on the machine, and press imprint. And as you can see here, the machine immediately begins transferring the energetic signal and the frequency into the preparation. That's how easy it is to create a complex remedy, potentize it, and also have it already saved within the system for future work or future sessions. And that's it. The remedy is now finished. Thank you for watching this video and for continuing to learn about the mantra system.